Welcome to Yukon Survival. We're out in the woods here near Eleanor Lake, just outside of Faro. As you can see, winter's coming, so I thought I'd just get out, film a video, make using that twig stove I got from that Explorer box the other day, and a couple other items. Just play around. So yeah, stay tuned. Nice. Alright, I'm not too sure the make of this stove. It's basically just a firebox. Yeah. I'll try to figure out what it's called and put it on the video in the description. Goes together quite easily. Make sure that's backed up a little more so you guys can actually see it. Hard to tell. Way over here. Got all my little twigs over here already set up. Nice things about these is just a twig stove, so you don't really need a lot of wood processing to get her cooking. I'm just going to use the old Vaseline cotton balls. Douse that in Vaseline. Keep it burning longer. I'm gonna light myself on fire. The old striker here. Yep, goes up nice and easy. And start feeding twigs in through the little feed hole they have built into it. Alright, I'm gonna get my pot and some water, start boiling some water up. So I got that zebra billy pot like I usually have. See how well that fits on here. It's pretty darn good. Throw on the water for boiling. Put on. They're boiling. Just keep feeding twigs on in. yeah, that's basically all we're gonna do. Get the water boiling. Yeah, just keep funneling the wood on in there. Get the water boiling. Helps if you don't let it go out like I just did, but didn't take much to get it back going again. Getting nice and hot anyways. Yeah, and you just feed in through this little gate here. Keep feeding the sticks in and works pretty good. Doesn't take very much wood. Keeps it all pretty contained. Yeah, so while that's continuing to boil, I'll just show you a couple things. So this coffee cup right here, it's a Black Rifle Coffee Company. Got it for Dad for Father's Day. So Mom let me take it for myself since he's no longer going to need it. So I'm going to get some good use out of that cup. Then we also got this Revita Energy Tea from the box yesterday. I'm going to give that a taste, see how it is. Oh, that's horrible. Nope, I would not spend money on that, even if it works. That is horrible. I'll pick that up. Okay. Yeah, just about boiling there. A couple more seconds here. Use gloves, but whatever. The hot chocolate is on for a beverage since it's cold. And that green tea stuff was disgusting. There's marshmallows and everything. Yeah, I like it extra sweet. So a couple of those. Just noodles, like something easy. Cools off pretty quick, still pretty warm though. Really wish I brought some gloves. Chocolate. Hope I have enough water for the spork. Alright, well, pretty much it. The twig stove worked real well. Thing to learn, probably bring gloves so I don't burn myself with my pot. Yeah, so I'm just gonna enjoy this hot chocolate, eat my soup, then probably head back in. Just a short little video, try things out. But yeah, no, it worked pretty good. Only complaint to I wish the top was a little narrower for smaller pots. But it'll be good for, yeah, it's lightweight, packs down tiny, keeps everything, it's good. I like it. I really like that zebra billy pot though. It's one of my favorite purchases. That little neotherm rest is pretty good too. Well, we'll see you guys next time.